So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy Nvidia stock here in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, go to this bottom area and select the magnifying glass. Then go to the top search bar, select search, and either type in Nvidia, so just go ahead and type it in, or you can type in ticker symbol NVDA. So at the top here, Nvidia Corporation. On the NASDAQ, we will select that. Once you're here, go to the bottom left and select the account that you want to buy it in. So I will just use my non-registered as an example, and then go to the bottom right and press trade, and then press buy. So once you're here, you can go to the top right and choose the order type. So there's market, limit, stop market, recurring. I will just select market for this example. Now once you're here, you can type in the amount of shares you want to buy. It'll then show you how much money that is, or you can reverse it. So $5 in this case buys you that many shares, and if this looks good, we'll press review. Once you're on this page right here, you can review the transaction or review the order. So once again, this is traded in US dollars. So it'll show you the conversion. And if this looks good, you want to proceed. Go to the bottom. In my case, press Q order, or if the markets are open, press buy to continue with the transaction. So that is how you guys can buy Nvidia stock here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.